Opprobrium is a noun that refers to harsh criticism, public disgrace or strong disapproval, often in response to shameful or dishonorable actions. Origins: the word comes from the Latin opprobrium, meaning disgrace or reproach, derived from opprobrare, to reproach or scorn. It entered English in the 17th century, maintaining its association with public condemnation. Explanation and usage: opprobrium is used to describe the intense criticism or societal backlash faced by individuals or groups due to misconduct, scandal, or controversial actions. Example sentences: the politician faced widespread opprobrium after the corruption scandal. Throughout history, many artists initially faced opprobrium before gaining recognition. Cultural significance: the term is frequently used in political, social, and historical discussions to highlight the public condemnation of figures or actions that violate moral or ethical norms. Or synonyms: disgrace, loss of reputation due to dishonorable behavior; condemnation, strong disapproval; or censure, reproach, expression of disappointment or criticism; antonyms: praise, expression of approval or admiration; honor, high respect or esteem; acclaim, public recognition or applause. The key takeaway: opprobrium conveys severe public criticism or disgrace, often following unethical or scandalous actions. It underscores the weight of societal judgment in shaping reputations,